Super excited to share with you guys what came in the mail today. Shout out to Threadbeast. For those who don't know who they are a subscription-based business in which they send you a mystery box based off your style preferences. So getting started today with my first unboxing. This is what it looks like when you're opening up your Threadbeast box. Gonna go ahead and just rip this open. Getting started with a pair of dry fit graphic boxer briefs. I know these are gonna be great for the gym. Next, looks like we got a nice Tommy Hilfiger plain blue tee, easy to style, definitely gonna be very comfortable. On to some gray sweat shorts. So you can see the True Religion brand, gotta love that. Of course, can never go wrong with the simple gray t-shirt, feels like great quality and very soft material. Last but not least, a pair of black jeans, a staple in every closet. Love that these have no rips, nice wash, exactly what I wanted. Shout out to Threadbeast.